today we're going to cook veggie stir fry and with a beautiful coconut dressing. We are using the ingredients inspired by LINNÉ Botanical's product. So they do use beets in their skincare and also carrots. I could literally smell them. And then also radish, lemon. So let's get started. First, I am going to peel all these beautiful things. So this will be, a east meets west kind of stir fry, I guess, Carrots is totally a superfood. So high in vitamin A, beta-carotene, has fiber. Ta-da! Amazing. Gonna move this away. I really love beets. It's great for the liver, replenish blood. Amazing. And then we have these beautiful leftover tops. So we're going to actually make a sauce along with the leftover carrot tops. As garnishing, I think in the end would look really cute. And I always like to pick some, deal to save for later as plating. So here we go. These will go into making a sauce. First, I'm actually going to pour in a little bit of the sesame oil, and then I'm putting in all the beautiful herbs that I chopped. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my coconut milk that's a little bit solidified right now because of the cold. And then at the same time, I'm just gonna season a little bit. Oh! It's also because I just made a mistake and basically poured like half bottle of black peppercorn in here. So we're actually going to strain the content. So I'm just putting whole and cracked black pepper in here so the liquid can get the peppery flavor. Then I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice and some nutritional yeast. So the goal is that the vegetable in here should feel soft. Get every single bit of it out. First, again, I'm gonna use a little bit of our sesame oil and just everything together, all our beautiful vegetables with some sea salt, the dill that we chopped earlier, lemon does wonders to preserve the color of these beautiful vegetables. Alright, I think they're ready. As I suspected, everything turned into a beet bread. Now make sure you get enough of the sauce. On top, I might just sprinkle an amount of sesame oil and test it.